Mi piace la piscina.
Questa casa ti è piaciuta?
Sì.
Vorresti stare ancora?
Sì.
E perché andiamo via?
Perché la mamma e papà vogliono.
E dove andiamo?
Nell'altra casa.
Dove?
Non lo so.
Are you gonna ask me any questions?
No.
It's not an interview.
No.
I was ready for the interview. So we are leaving this house, Villa Viru. We are leaving the area of Umalas and going in the middle of the jungle. But not first, we go to our friend's house to leave the luggages. Then we go to Tanah Lot Temple. And then only we'll be heading to the east of the island to take a boat tomorrow to the Gili.
So, how was this Villa Biru?
A bit of a busy road here around, not a pleasant walking around, but the place itself, we cannot fault it too much. We enjoyed our stay.
Villa Biru, ok? Bella, comoda. Peccato che appena esci dalla porta c'è un po' di pattumiera che potrebbe anche pulire.
Dai.
È vero.
Really onesto. So this is where our friend is living. Welcome to Diego's mansion.
Oh la la!
Thank you.
Bella,
We did everything. We did the bed. We made this for Maya. All the furniture. Because it was high season in. No. In the night, they bark a lot. Try to get out of the.
Noi in Cina noi ce li mangiamo i cani, non ci giochiamo.
Yeah.
And then you can also see the sea. The sunset is
Yeah.
right there.
Ruby. Mi è piaciuta Ruby.
What's inside the boat?
Chocolate, chicken, and coconut.
Oh la
Very
la!
unusual choices. You'll never find this in China. We are heading to Tanah Lot Temple and passing through the outside market, which is here, full of dressings and some paintings and bags and hats. So we saw a painting that we liked with the rice terraces and the people working in the field. We were curious about one which is really big, so they gave us a price of 1,500,000 at first. Then when we were leaving, it was already ready to be sold for 1 million only, which is just to mention that you always have to bargain a little, as the prices can go down, very much down. around Tanah Lot. The monasteries which have a very nice view on the surroundings, on the temple itself, and on the sea. Perfect place to have lunch or at least the coconut juice.
Batti 5, Matti.
Batte 5.
Battetelo voi due, dillo tu, Lili, batti 5.
Batte 5. Io ho scelto quello gnocchi compresso.
Il ketchup piccante, giusto? Ne hai messo troppo poco, devi mettere un po' di più.
About to split, Andrea goes on his way to dive and we go on our way to die. Now we go on our way to Gili for tomorrow. So it's a bit sad moment, but mostly it's stressful because it's mega hot and we're super tired. Matteo needs to sleep, so he's crying. Then he's not comfortable in his skin, and so we are a bit stressed. But we should hug each other and kiss each other, wish each other goodbye.
For the last time.
For the last time.
Tu cosa vuoi dire? Di qualcosa? Hey Mati, I'm leaving, eh?
Tra 10 minuti.
I'll
10
see you in 10
minuti
days,
arriva.
okay? You miss me? I will miss you.
Ciao papà, fai buon viaggio.
Grazie cucciolo, anche tu, eh? Ciao, Ian.